This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Sound Package and Hill Descent Control. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Ford of Mansfield is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1515 West 4th Street in Mansfield.